This community makes $260,000 every single month. One person, no employees, no sales team, no office. And this isn't an exception. It's part of a bigger pattern most people are completely missing, because while everyone is distracted by AI tools, startups and side hustles, communities are quietly replacing institutions, universities, companies, even careers. Today, I'm breaking down Maker School, a school community that scaled to $260,000 per month in monthly recurring revenue. Not to hype it, but to show you why this model keeps working, why it's happening now, and what this means for anyone building online. And here's what's interesting. Most people still don't get what's happening. They dismiss this as just another course launch, just another mastermind group, just another internet fad that will fade away. But this isn't a temporary trend. This is a fundamental restructuring of how value gets created and delivered in the modern economy. And once you understand the mechanics behind it, everything changes. We're living through a fascinating paradox right now. Access to information has never been easier or cheaper, but genuine direction, that's becoming incredibly rare. Anyone can learn virtually anything on YouTube. AI tools can explain complex concepts in seconds. Online courses are everywhere you look, and yet people report feeling more directionless than ever before. What's causing this disconnect? Because raw information doesn't provide what people actually need, which is a sense of identity and purpose, real momentum and accountability, a feeling of belonging, clear standards and expectations. Traditional institutions used to fulfill these roles. Educational systems told people who they were supposed to become. Corporate jobs provided structure and routine. Communities existed in physical spaces and were unavoidable parts of daily life. That world is fundamentally shifting. For thousands of years, power was directly tied to controlling access to knowledge. Whoever controlled the books, the teachers, the training programs, they control opportunity and advancement. Then the internet democratized everything, and AI is completing that transformation. Now knowledge is effectively free, infinitely available, and instantly accessible. So knowledge itself stopped being the valuable commodity. And when something loses its value, something else naturally becomes scarce in its place. What's actually scarce in today's environment? Proper context for applying that knowledge, genuine belonging and community, clear direction and guidance. That's what people are desperately seeking now. This shift explains why communities are experiencing explosive growth right now, not the casual, low commitment ones, the spam-filled Discord servers where everyone's just promoting their own stuff. The communities that are thriving are highly structured operations. They feature a clear, specific mission. There's visible leadership and accountability. Members work toward shared, well-defined goals. Social proof is built into the system. Standards are maintained consistently. In other words, these are modern institutions being built by individual creators. Platforms like School have emerged as the infrastructure layer enabling this transformation. Let's move beyond theory and look at actual data, because concepts without evidence doesn't mean much. Looking at what's happening on School right now, there's a community called Evolve pulling in approximately $500,000 monthly. Maker School is generating around $260,000 per month. AI Automation Society sits at roughly $240,000 monthly. A health-focused community is doing $180,000 per month. Even hobby-based communities are hitting $40,000 to $100,000 monthly. Different niches, different target audiences, but the same fundamental model: recurring revenue streams, low member churn rates, high trust environment. This isn't speculative hype. These are measurable results. Let's examine Maker School more closely as a case study. One creator, one specific promise to the audience. The positioning is simple: get your first AI client in 90 days or receive a full refund. That's the entire value proposition. No complicated branding, no elaborate marketing gymnastics. The community now generates approximately $260,000 monthly. But here's what's actually keeping members engaged and paying. It's not the video content or the course materials. Members stay because wins get celebrated publicly. Progress becomes visible to everyone. Other members often respond to questions faster than the creator themselves. Leaving the community means losing all the accumulated momentum and accountability. That's the key insight most people miss. The community itself becomes the actual product, not just a container for the product. Human behavior change doesn't happen because of information accumulation. People change because of shifts in their environment. their identity, and social pressure from their peer group. When someone joins a well-structured community, they're not purchasing access to content, they're purchasing a new identity. I'm the type of person who belongs in this environment with these standards. The identity attachment creates incredible stickiness. This explains why successful communities maintain such low churn rates. Leaving doesn't just feel like cancelling a subscription, it feels like personal regression and failure. Now, for the part that makes people uncomfortable, the vast majority of community attempts fail completely. What's the pattern behind these failures? Creators build what are essentially content libraries with comments enabled, dead forums where nobody actually engages, one-way teaching platforms with no real interaction. That's not a community, that's a video streaming service with a discussion tab. Genuinely successful communities have distinct characteristics: a consistent heartbeat of activity and engagement, visible, accessible leadership, substantive member-to-member interaction happening naturally, established cultural norms that get reinforced. Culture always trumps content every single time. The fundamental transformation happening right now is this: people have stopped paying for information access. They are paying for the right environment and community. An environment scales far more efficiently than labor or time ever could. That's precisely why one-person community operations can generate these kinds of numbers. The creator isn't selling hours of their time. They are not trading effort for dollars. They are building and maintaining an environment where transformation happens through peer interaction and cultural standards. Successful communities share observable patterns across completely different niches: business, technology, health, music, hobbies, self-improvement. The mechanics that drive engagement and retention include strong positioning that clearly answers why someone should join, strategic pricing structures that filter for commitment, compelling offers that address specific pain points, deliberate structural design that encourages interaction, carefully cultivated culture that keeps churn low. These aren't random elements, they're intentional design decisions based on understanding human psychology and community dynamics. Here's why you don't need to build a successful community. You don't need to be the absolute smartest person in your field. You don't need to be the loudest or most charismatic personality. You don't need decades of experience or credentials. What you actually need: a clearly defined audience with shared characteristics, a common problem the audience is actively trying to solve, a structured container that generates momentum and accountability. That's the entire list. Communities reward clarity and structure, not ego or credentials. Traditional institutions are losing relevance at an accelerating pace. Universities are being questioned for their ROI. Corporate career paths offer less security. Geographic communities have weakened significantly. Communities built by individuals are filling this institutional void, and the people who understand these mechanics early are building massive leverage in the process. This isn't about following a trend, it's about recognizing a structural shift in how people learn, grow, and find belonging. If you're looking at these numbers and thinking about how you could apply these principles in your own niche, there's a resource that might be valuable. It's called Community Culture. This isn't about selling dreams or teaching untested theory. It's a community focused on studying what actually works in successful online communities across different industries. The emphasis is on real communities generating real revenue, breaking down the observable patterns that drive those results. We analyze positioning strategies, pricing psychology, offer construction, structural design, and cultural development, all based on studying communities with verified numbers and documented results. No guessing, no fluff, just pattern recognition and practical application. If you want access to these deeper breakdowns of high-performing communities with actual numbers and documented structures, you can find the link in the description. The institutions that shaped the last century are losing their grip. Communities are emerging as a replacement infrastructure. The question isn't whether this shift is happening. It's already happening right now at scale. The question is whether you'll recognize this early enough to position yourself advantageously, because the economics are undeniable. The psychology is proven. The infrastructure exists. What's left is execution and understanding the mechanics that separate communities that thrive from the ones that fall. And that understanding is more accessible now than it's ever been. Thank you for your time. I hope this video has been helpful for you. As usual, like and subscribe as it helps support the channel, and remember to check out the first link down below for more in-depth community case studies.